What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to talk about why DoorDash drivers are quitting pretty much left and right. Before we jump in this video, we want to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Play Octopus. Play Octopus is the best platform out there for gig economy drivers. I don't really think there's anything better. They send you a free tablet, you attach it to your headrest, they play games on it, you make money. It's that simple. On top of that, you have a great conversation starter. I think you're going to see increased tips. You're going to see higher ratings overall because you're offering a great form of entertainment for your passengers. If you're a more introverted driver, this is a must. If you're a driver that wants to make more money, this is a must. So check it out, guys. We left a link in the description below. Let's jump into today's video. Alrighty. So there's definitely a plethora of reasons people are quitting DoorDash. Obviously, one of the main reasons is just how things have changed in the gig economy environment. Gas is higher, and once you start factoring in wear and tear and things, you start seeing that it's really not worth it. But there's a few other reasons. One of the biggest is a lot of drivers are reporting that DoorDash is essentially hiding a portion of their tip. And listen, all these companies are like this. They're all shady. They're all doing everything they can to stay afloat in this crazy economy. As we've talked about a lot with Uber, how they're trying to push really hard to go electric because they honestly just can't make it, and automation and all that crazy, creepy stuff. But listen to this. This is probably the biggest reason that DoorDash drivers are quitting. So when compared with Grubhub, they did an independent survey. The numbers for gross earnings per trip have Grubhub showing a massive edge over DoorDash. $10.26 per average delivery on Grubhub as opposed to $7.93 per trip on DoorDash. Tips are also looking better at Grubhub. The median tip earnings per trip amounted to $5, while the average DoorDash tip came in at $4.17. So in the long haul over a year, that adds up significantly. You definitely have to rely on tips heavier with DoorDash as well. And when you're looking at the average earning being more and more with Grubhub, that's why most people are quitting. Because the reality is they're making a lot more money with Grubhub. To be honest, I mean, this isn't shocking to me. I did a lot of DoorDash driving. Grubhub is actually one of the only delivery companies I never used myself. And looking back now, that's probably why I didn't do it long, because I didn't see the money in it. But the thing is, at the end of the day, you've just got to make more money. That's the name of the game in any gig economy job. And so if you're making more with Grubhub, you're going to go with Grubhub. DoorDash is simply dying out. While they do say they're expanding to different markets, I think the truth of the matter is, if you're a serious delivery driver and you don't do any rideshare, Grubhub is going to be the way to go overall. And most drivers that I've talked to, most people that have written into the channel have all told us that they prefer Grubhub over DoorDash by a landslide. Better service all around. And so the competition is growing. I mean, in all areas. It's honestly, it's funny that with Uber and Lyft, they've been the only two to dominate. There's been some smaller companies that have tried to rise up over the years. And as you guys know, they've never gotten anywhere. But with delivery, there's always been so many options. And so to stand out in this market, you've got to really offer the best service for delivery. Then Uber Eats came around, and that clouded things because obviously they were doing their own thing. Obviously those companies are pretty much affiliated now, but that's the problem with delivery, is there's a lot of options. So I know a lot of you guys have told us you've quit driving for DoorDash because you felt like it wasn't worth it. Well, that's why it's not worth it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out Play Octopus, linked in the description below. I'm telling you guys, this is the best platform out there for drivers. It's a game changer. And at the end of the day, like I said earlier in the video, the name of the game is just making more money. So stay safe out there more than anything, guys, and stay tuned for more updates.